Greetings. Kaku presents Afaan Oromo Lessons. Lesson 1. The Alphabet. The Oromo language is written using the Latin script called Qubee. Within this writing script style, the alphabet is divided into 5 vowels, 21 consonants, and 7 double letters. These 5 vowels, also known as Dubbachistu in Afaan Oromo, are A, E, I, O, U, or in Afaan Oromo, A, E, I, O, U. The 21 consonants, also known as Dubbifama in Afaan Oromo, are Ba, Cha, Da, Fa, Ga, Ha, Ja, Ka, La, Ma, Na, Pa, Qa, Ra, Sa, Ta, U, Va, Wa, Ta, Ya, Za. Double letters, also known as Qubee Dacha in Afaan Oromo, are Cha, Da, Nya, Pa, Sha, Tsa, Ja. We will now proceed to examples for each Afaan alphabet. Each Afaan alphabet will have one example in Afaan Oromo, followed by a subsequent translation in English. A. Arba, elephant. Ba, bari, morning. Cha, chalu, exceed. Da, dakiye, duck. Eegee, tail. Fa, farda, horse. Ga, gala, camel. Ha, harre, donkey. Ija, eye. Ja, jarsa, old man. Ka, Karora, plan. La, lencha, lion. Ma, mana, house. Na, nacha, crocodile. Omisha, produce. Pa, papaya, papaya. Ka, kawe, gun. Ra, rambo, worm. Sa, sare, dog. Ta, tisisa, housefly. Ule, stick. Va, visa, visa. Waaqa, God. Ta, Xiyya, arrow. Yada, idea. Za, 0, 0. Chaapaa, stamp. Yadaa, butter. Kophee, shoe. Shonkora, sugarcane. Nyaata, food. Ja. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please feel free to send us an email at kakuofficial through kakuucollective@gmail.com.